Mackenzie bursts his shirt and loses all 8 buttons every time he acts a scene. Buff has 8 scenes today. Have you got 64 buttons, Suki? Sometimes, when you divide numbers, there will be some left over. These numbers are called the remainder. Depending on the situation, you may want to round up or round down the remainder to make a whole number. So buttons come in packets of 7, and you have 10 packets under the counter. That's 70 buttons. As Buff wants 64 buttons, there will be a remainder of 6. I don't think Buff wants to pay for the extra buttons. If you sold Buff 9 packets, how many short would you be?
Just 1 button short, I see.
Oh, it looks like Buff doesn't mind missing a button.